You ready? This could be awesome. Here, let me have it. Jesse, come back here for a second. Back here in the bedroom. What you doing? Come here.
Oh.
Come here.
I'm not. Dang, I knew he was gonna do it. I knew he was standing there.
That was horrible. I wish you could have seen the look on her face before you jumped.
What?
Jesse, honey, I hate to be the one to point this out. Let me see them socks. So you got stripes and plaid.
Who cares?
And that. All you're missing is like a really loud bow.
And a fart.
I farted.
And move away now.